It's becoming clear that our city is now nearing a record number of murders for this year. Just last year, the city broke a record with 149. So far this year, Metro Police tell us they've investigated 120 murders compared to 121 at this time last year. All day today, our Mary Mills has been introducing us to people here in our community who are working on coming up with ways to stop the violence.
We're now near rural in Washington, and this is an area that's made a lot of strides, but is still troubled by crime and blight. I talked to one longtime advocate who says the answer isn't just about investing in more officers, but investing in the area.
So this is the Commonwealth Apartments. It was old school 3, and it's 32 units.
Mike Bowling, pastor of Inglewood Christian Church, has spent the last 2 decades working to improve his East Side neighborhood. He describes it as economically challenged, an area that's struggled with crime as well.
I'm concerned for all parts of our city. People should be able to live and play and work together without fear of being shot.
Bowling believes that simply adding more police officers isn't the answer.
I'm glad that we're doing some immediate things, but honestly, there's a reason why we're where we are.
He says it's about not taking the long view. For instance, not having enough affordable housing. It's why the Community Development Corporation he founded several years ago has made housing a top priority. This is its newest apartment building.
Stable, affordable housing, mixed income housing where people can be safe and learn how to be with others and contribute to the community that they live in. I think that makes a bigger impact.
Bowling says over the years they've added 140 new units to the area. That includes both apartments and houses, and they're far from done. Again, he says they're in it for the long haul. Ann and John.